Stop by and take a look at the 2017
Chevy Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor, front all-season tires. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.